Tuesday, August 2024. Saint Bernard. Focus. We have left everything and followed you. What then will we have? This question from Peter, no less, is typical for our generation. Something for something. As we might say, a quid pro quo. The demand is also very human, to follow just after the story of a rich man who walked away sadly. Some time ago, I heard of 10 deacons who were ordained. They joined the seminary with big hearts, giving up everything and not expecting anything in return. After year, many such young men and women surrender their all to follow Jesus. They do so with a smile, not grudgingly. On the other hand, there are young people who walk away sadly, perhaps even after hearing a clear invitation from Jesus to follow him. We cannot sit in judgment. It is indeed a difficult decision to make. Jesus is love personified. Does not rubbish Peter's question. Instead, he replies, "You who have followed me will also sit on 12 thrones." This sets their fears at rest. Today is the feast of Saint Bernard. In our day, apart from his many other attributes, Saint Bernard would be called an influencer. He was able to win over heretics and won many crusades. Pope Innocent II was his ardent admirer. Fruit. At every stage of our lives, Jesus invites us. My reaction will not be to assess the potential rewards, but to speed up my positive response.